loving you back.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, good afternoon.
Yes.
How can I help you?
Sir, please, I'm looking for Mr. Producer.
Mr. Producer, yes. What can Mr. Producer do for you?
Sir, I want to act comedy. I want to act him. I want to become a celebrity so that people would see.
Wow.
Yes.
You want to act comedy?
Yes, sir.
You want to act movie?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And you want to become a celebrity?
Yes, yes.
Wow, fantastic.
Yes.
So can you cry?
Well, sir.
You can cry?
Yes, I cry well.
You can cry well.
Yes.
Wow, I love that. So I'll put you to test now to see if you can really cry.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Sir.
You can cry very well.
Yes, sir. Yes.
All right, I'll put you to test now.
Okay, sir.
Now, you know Don Jesse?
Yes, sir.
You know Coco Master?
Yes, sir.
Now I want you to cry until Don Jesse and Coco Master calls me on the phone and ask me to stop, tell me to stop crying.
Risaki!
Don Jesse and Coco Master, make them be concerned. I beg. Let me beg them, oh. People are missing them, so I beg. I beg Don Jesse and Coco Master, make them be concerned together. People, they miss them, I beg. Make them help me beg them, oh. I beg, Don Jesse and Coco Master, make them be concerned. I beg, make them be concerned. People, they miss them.
Hello?
People, they miss them, oh.
Don Jesse, how you doing now? Yeah, this boy in my studio since they cry, yo. He said we go stop crying.
Don Jesse and Coco Master, I beg, make them be concerned. People, they miss you, I beg you now. I
should ask you to stop crying.
I beg.
5 million. Don't Papa J. 5 million. To get them to stop crying.
I beg you.
Okay,
Let them be concerned, I beg. People, they miss them. I beg you. Sir, I beg you. I want the bank to call you for phone. Tell you, say them don't concern. I beg you now. So I beg. Make an happy call them, I beg the bunch. Make them call you, tell you, say them don't concern. So I beg people, they miss them. I beg you, sir. I know nothing I go do again, no. So I beg. Make them help me. I beg. Make the bunch call you for phone. I beg. Make them call me for phone. I beg. Make them try you concern. People, they miss them, oh.
Hello?
God. My God.
Hey, Coco Master Divine.
People, they miss them.
How you doing now? Yes, sir.
Chineke.
Yes, so this boy in my studio. What guy come my studio? Come and cry, yo. Say you can never stop crying until you have Don Jesse reconcile. Yes, so he's been crying for the past 30 minutes now. Those run over everywhere for my studio. 5 million. 5 million naira. For me to get him to stop crying. Hey, thank you, sir. Oh, shake it down. Mr. Man.
Sir.
What is that your name?
My name is Chidi, sir.
Your name is Chidi?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. My two orgas, the Banch, Coco Master, and Don Jesse. Both of them wired me 5 million naira each to get you to stop crying.
Jesus!
So they asked me to give you anything I feel like giving you to get you to stop crying. Just to change your life. Okay? So now I'll give you 3 million naira.